Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Got some country ribs, y'all. Country ribs. So, once we get everything set, it's time to rain on them. Now we just gonna hit them with a little salt and a little pepper, y'all. Fresh pepper, of course. And hey, don't forget to give me the LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Now once we get these seasoned up, we're gonna set our sous vide machine for 4 hours at 145 degrees. And we're gonna get our country rib into this vacuum seal bag. And we're gonna go ahead and get into that water bath, y'all. And after 4 hours, this is what they look like. Now these are done. We can actually eat these right now. But we're gonna make a little gravy. Well, an Asian inspired gravy to go with this. So in our wok, we have us some sesame oil and we're gonna add us some onions. Now let's go ahead and give this a little mixy mix. Oh yeah. These onions smell good, y'all. But y'all know that already. Y'all know how onions smell. They always smell good. Next, we're gonna add in 3 cloves of garlic. Of course, chopped up. And let's give that a mix. You know you don't want to burn your garlic, y'all. Don't burn your garlic. Once we get that all mixed together, we're gonna start adding in our sauces. Now, we're adding in approximately a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. About 1/8 cup of soy sauce. And 1/8 cup of honey. My bad, y'all. I added a 1/4 cup of pork stock too. Well, not really pork stock. The juice from the sous vide bag of the pork. Now we're just gonna mix this up and bring all these flavors together and make them happy and combine until we make one delicious gravy. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Had to add in a little cabbage too. Now, if you want your cabbage to be really tender, then add your cabbage in before you add your pork. Because remember, your pork is already done. But for me, the cabbage is just gonna add a little extra crisp. So we're gonna let this simmer and come together for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, look at what we got, y'all. Look at what we got. Don't it look yummy? Then came together. And we ready to eat, y'all. Now I had me some mashed potatoes with mine. Now you can easily do rice or whatever you like. And I also fried me up some summer squash, y'all. Y'all know I had a great year this year in the garden with my summer squash. And hey, kind of overloaded, y'all. So we've been eating a lot of summer squash. But ain't nothing wrong with that. They tasty anyway. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.